When the road is dark and I can't see, your light is guiding me. When my strength is gone, you carry me. In your presence I am free.